what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So we're actually going to be doing a bit of a vlog today. So it's going to be a little bit different, but I am actually going to Vogue Fashion Week with Dyson and I am so excited. So I thought let's vlog it and let's do like a little bit of a follow me around. I'm just about to start doing my makeup. I'm thinking I might wear a super vibrant hot pink blazer to the show tonight. So I kind of might do something a little bit more pared back with my makeup. Maybe some matte smoky browns or something. But yeah, I just thought it might be fun to do something a little bit different to come along with me. It sounds like it's going to be the absolute best time. I actually have one of Dyson's lead hairstylists who's actually going to be styling my hair. I know, I'm feeling a little bit like a Kardashian right now or something, honestly. So we're going to head down to the salon in the city and then we've got dinner with the Dyson team and then obviously the fashion show. So to start my makeup today, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way matte. I've been really enjoying this foundation lately. This is kind of one of the foundations that sort of like I loved, but then I found others that I loved and so it sort of got a little bit lost in the drawer. But she's back and she's back in a big way. So I'm just going to do my makeup. Like I said, I think I might keep it a little bit more low key. This foundation's beautiful and lightweight and super long wearing. So it's perfect for this kind of event. Do you know what else is totally weird? At the time that you're watching this video and for me today, I can officially say I get married next week. How crazy is that? And how do we think we should have Dyson style my hair? I'm thinking like a bit of a blowout, like lots of volume in some ways. But what do you think? What do you think would suit me? Let me know. Okay, I've quickly filled my brows. I feel like lately, every time I do my brows, they're turning out way more aggressive than I initially intended them to. But I'm thinking I'm going to go for like a soft brown smoky eye kind of a look. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. Mine is so beat up. Like I have loved and adored this palette for the longest time. But something a little bit more low key. I might do some lashes and maybe like even like a gloss. I'm going to keep it low key. So I'm going to quickly finish off my makeup and then let's go into my bedroom and I'll show you my outfit options. I'm pretty sure I've decided, but I still may change my mind because I'm a Libran and it happens 40,000 times a day, honestly. Okay, just finishing up with lips now. I'm going with the nude lip liner. This one is by Rimmel. It is the lasting finish and I'm obsessed with it in the shade Tiramisu. I've been talking about this lip liner literally 10 years. Probably longer. It's so good. It just really stays on. So I'm just going to go a very sort of faint line just to kind of carve them out. Oh, and I haven't got lashes on yet. I can't decide. I've put mascara on. I think I will probably add some lashes, but I might add them a little bit later on. And then over the top of that, I'm going to add the Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream in the shade Mauve Wives. This has got like a pretty, it's kind of a cool pink undertone to it. So it's really soft and natural. Oh, setting spray. Still swear by, love, adore, use all the time the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray. And obviously my scent, the rose scent, still my favorite. I do have some discount codes for this one if you want to try it. Just spritz this on. And then you really want to let it sort of dry down. So you can use the code JOYBOGO. That will get you 2 full sizes of these for the price of one, or you can use the code JOY, which will get you 30% off. Up to you if you want to use it, obviously. In my opinion, the absolute best setting spray ever. So makeup is done. I'm not going to do anything else to my hair because obviously Dyson is going to be doing my hair. But let's go quickly have a look at some outfit options and then it's probably time to get on the road. Okay guys, clothing options. Have you ever seen a more beautiful blazer in your life? So this is from Zara and literally at this point in time, it's like my most prized possession. I'm obsessed with it. It's this really beautiful, like textured hot pink fabric. It's got these really pretty buttons. It was super cheap, obviously, like being that it's from Zara. So I'm thinking pink blazer, black high-waisted pants with like a black jumpsuit underneath. What do we think? I mean, I could do like a black dress, like a black high-necked dress, but it's raining outside. It's cold today. I'm feeling like this will be a vibe. I'll chuck it on and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh my God. I am just so obsessed with this jacket. Literally, it is what dreams are made of. So pants, jacket. This jumpsuit's like a square neck. It's got like a square neck at the top. What do we think? Is this a vibe? I feel like it's a vibe. Ooh, I have a black Prada handbag. I might take that one or should we do a clutch? Oh my gosh, I'm just, you know what? I'm not great at fashion, I'll be honest. And then I'm thinking maybe stilettos. Let me grab some shoes. I kind of want to wear these, you guys. These are like covered in like this amazing tropical print, and I feel like they could like kind of offset the jacket a bit, or a staple black. These are Calvin Klein ones. Let me try on. Oh, the patterned ones are so cool though. Oh, I have to. Hopefully you guys can see them. They're not easy to walk in though. They're a little bit big for me. I might have to put party feet in them. They really offset the pink jacket though. I'm obsessed. They feel necessary. They feel necessary. These shoes though, such a winner. And of course my vlogging camera just died inconveniently. But this is our situation. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm excited about the shoes though. I kind of wish I had hot pink shoes. They would have worked as well, but I feel like I vibe this. I think we're decided. Okay guys, so I'm in the city now. I'm on my way to the hair salon where Dyson's doing my hair. You know what? Thank goodness, because it's so windy and my hair's going absolutely everywhere. I have arrived. We are here with Dyson. I am so excited. So I'm just hiding out the back because the girls are actually going to do my hair in just a second. So what do we think? Volume, Hollywood waves, curls. What should we do? No, I feel like I can't say no to curls because I'm usually always straight. So let's mix it up a little bit. We were just saying how funny it is. My jacket actually perfectly matches the decor. Total accident. So I'm thinking volume, curls. Sounds good. Sounds good? Yeah. Let's do it. Okay, so we are using the Dyson Corral to style my hair today. I have spoken to you guys about the Corral plenty of times, but it is a really, really amazing straightener from Dyson. Firstly, it is cordless, so it's super easy to use, but it's got these really awesome flexing copper plates as well. And they basically hold tension on the hair, so the hair doesn't sort of slide out of the plates. The flexing plates also mean that you don't need to use as higher temperatures on your hair, so you can achieve the same styles, but with less damage, which is super awesome because you typically only need to go over the hair once to get it perfectly curled or perfectly straight. And because of how easy and smooth it is, the curls that you get with the Corral are just so perfect every single time. And look at these cute cupcakes they gave me. I was having the absolute best time, but she's just finishing off my hair, a bit of hairspray, and look at the curls, the glossy shiny curls, and look at the volume. Absolutely amazing. And here's the hair all done. I am literally dying. Not a hair out of place. They've done such an amazing job, and obviously we use the Dyson Corral to create this style. Seriously my favorite tool to curl with. Like literally so quick and easy. So yes, we've got curls, we've got volume, we've got exactly what I wanted, and now I believe we are off to Nibbles before going into the show. Okay, we've just had dinner and we are now off to a bar. I believe it's just right around the corner from the fashion show, and then the show starts at 8:30. I'm so excited, but you know what, the wind, I'm gonna lose the curls. Oh no. We're just going into the show now. Everybody looks so amazing. There's so many like super high-end fashion bloggers here in their outfits. I am dying. Okay, so we're just headed into the show now. Dyson is the official hair tool partner, so they are going to be styling all of the models' hair backstage. We were all so excited to see all of the looks on the models on the runway. The overall vibe was like glossy curls and like sleek ponytails, which is obviously super easy to achieve with the Corral. But let's go into the show. Done, and we are walking to something called what? Cookie? It's like a rooftop bar nearby. Okay, cheers! Just got back to my car. It just started raining on the walk back too, so I'm looking a little bit disheveled. I had so much fun, and honestly, like the Dyson team, the most incredible bunch of people ever. Absolutely had so much fun, and the show was amazing. And like I said, like Dyson did all of the hair, like they were the official hair sponsor for the show. The sleek ponytails, the waves, everything looked perfect. Like you could tell it was the Dyson Corral. Like once you know, you recognize the gloss. But yeah, nah, it was so much fun. I'm back at my car now and time to drive home. So thank you so much for following me around for the day. I really enjoyed doing a vlog like this. Let me know if you want to see more of these in the future, because it's definitely lots of fun to film. But I love you guys heaps, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.